Ready, I often feel like I have nothing to wear. I look at my closet and nothing just seems to go together. Hey guys, it's your girl Ali, your favorite Chinese YouTuber. Be sure to watch until the very end of this video for a giveaway. So I wanted to share with you 11 outfit ideas for those days when you have that nothing to wear feeling. So these are outfit ideas for every day, school, or just like casual hanging out. Bella and Ali hug! If you guys like this video series where I style a few items from my closet, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe by clicking the button here or down below so you can join my YouTube squad. So without further ado, let's get started! Now I'm going to share with you my top 6 reasons why you have nothing to wear. Reason number 1, everything in your closet looks way too trendy. And I don't find myself wearing these too often. If you have too many trendy pieces, be sure to buy staple classic basics like this turtleneck top, tank tops, or sweaters that are more plain. I'll follow you. Ancient pieces. No, I'm not talking about vintage items that are really cool and hip. I'm talking about your high school prom dress or a wedding dress or that free t-shirt you got from some cool event that you went to. They already served its purpose, provided you happiness and great memories, and now it's just time to declutter and to donate them. Buying repeat items. I cannot tell you guys how often I find myself looking into my closet thinking, why do I have 10 striped shirts, 5 pairs of beige boots? Do I really need them? No, but whenever I go shopping, I find myself gravitating towards these items and I just come home to a closet full of the same clothes. Be sure to shop your own closet before you actually go shopping. You are just not feeling inspired by your closet, I would highly recommend going on Instagram or Pinterest and saving a few outfit ideas that you really like for those days when you just don't know what to wear. Plus, there are so many fashion bloggers and people out there who have really great style, and I'm sure that if you just look around on the internet, you will find someone that you love. no longer fit you? Can we talk about items in our closet that are just way too tiny, that are uninspiring to us because they just make us feel bad about ourselves? These are examples of items that you should probably get rid of because they just don't fit you anymore. Reason number 6, you haven't really thought too much about your personal style. So think of 3 words that would describe your style, that personifies that word, and then set that aside for those days when you have nothing to wear. To the giveaway rules. I'm going to be giving away a $100 Visa gift card to one lucky winner to shop anything that they like. I wanted to give you the opportunity to purchase something to add into your wardrobe that will definitely be a game changer for you. So 1, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. 2, follow me on Instagram. The username is Fashion by Ali. 3, comment down below and let me know why you want to win this giveaway. Tell me a little bit about yourself. I want to know. This giveaway is open internationally and I will announce the winner next week. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
When you sneak in an ab workout in the middle of the lookbook. Ow, my abs really do hurt though. Am I doing it right?
Here is a little sneak peek on what video I'm uploading next week.